As you are now familiar with the meaning and representation of sets, now moving further, today we will discuss about the types of sets. The elements can be of one type, two types, more types, or we can say infinite types. Like if we talk about the subjects in a course, these are countable. But if we consider natural numbers, then these are infinite in number, as counting is endless. Let's begin with the types of sets. First is finite set. A set is called a finite set if it has finite number of elements. For example, a set A contains elements like 2, 4, 6 and 8 is a finite set having 4 elements. You are seeing the finite set of fruits in the picture. Now look at the image. Can you count the stars in the sky? No, as these are uncountable. So, a set having infinite number of elements is called an infinite set. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on is an infinite set. Next type is null set or empty set. As the name implies, empty means nothing. So, a set with no element is called a null set or an empty set. It is denoted by the symbol phi. For example, x is an element such that x belongs to the set of natural numbers and x squared plus 1 is equal to 0. Is a null set as no member can satisfy this condition. Let's take one more example of elements of a set such that elements in the set are perfect squares and lies between 5 and 8. So, there is no such element. So, it is a null set. Singleton set. A set with only one element is called a singleton set. Example, A is a set of integers such that 3x plus 12 is equal to 0. In roster form, it is A is equal to x such that x is an integer and 3x plus 12 is equal to 0. Minus 4 is the only value that will be in the set. Set of even prime numbers is also an example of singleton set because 2 is the only even prime number. This was all about the types of sets. Now, if we look at all types of sets, it is noticed that number of elements is different in different sets. Number of elements in a finite set A gives the order of a set. In English alphabets, there are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O and U. So, order of set of vowels is 5. Now, if we have to compare two sets, then different terms are used. Equal sets. Two sets A and B are equal if they consist of same elements. That is, each element of A is an element of B and each element of B is an element of A. For example, A has 1, 2 and 3 as elements and B has 3, 1 and 2 as elements. Then set A is equal to set B as both have same elements. Equivalent sets. Two sets A and B are equivalent if their orders are same. That is, order of A is equal to order of B. Let A is equal to 1, 2 and 3 and B is equal to A, B and C. Order of A is equal to order of B is equal to 3. So, A and B are equivalent sets. Thank you.